Okay, so this video is for those who don't want to buy a host and domain in order to work in this course. So don't worry, you can download Xampp Server and you can download WordPress on your local host and you can start working on them. But if you're the one who bought the host and domain in the previous video, then you can skip this video, or you can follow the video for more information. Okay, downloading WordPress is very easy. So in order to work with WordPress, we need server. So we will be adding Xampp Server over here. Write Xampp, and on the first link, okay, it will navigate us to the apachefriends.org. So I'm a Windows user and I'm going to download Xampp for Windows, but if you are a Mac user, then you can follow and download this one. Installation of Xampp for Windows and for Mac is almost same. But if you're finding any issue, then you can ask me inside the questions section. So I'm going to download Xampp for Windows and start downloading. It will take some seconds. Okay, my Xampp server is installed. I'm going to open it inside the folder. Here it is. Then you can double click on it. It will open up the setup wizard. I'm going to minimize it. Okay, it has started our setup wizard. Go next. Don't worry about the things. We will be working on phpMyAdmin. Okay, go and click on next. And it is recommended to go to the default address of downloading or installation, but if you want to change that, then you can change it over here. Click on next, 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 and it will going to start your setup. It will take a couple of minutes installing, so I'm going to pause the video and I will be there when it is installed. Okay, my setup was completed. It has restarted my computer by its own. So if it prompts you to restart your computer, then go and give it privilege and restart your computer. So my Xampp server is installed. So I installed it inside the default location. So I'm going to go to my C drive, and inside C drive you will see Xampp, and open this. You will see all of these files inside Xampp folder. Now you will see this htdocs. Open this, and I will be installing WordPress in this particular folder. Now go back and inside new tab and write wordpress.org, and it will redirect you to this page. Okay, now scroll down and then you will see this option, Get WordPress, and open this. So if you buy hosting, then it will automatically give you WordPress option. You can go and install it from there. But in this case, we are downloading WordPress in our system. Then we can download it and install it for ourselves. And it will navigate you to this page. Click here and download it. I'm going to start download from here. So it will take a couple of minutes. Okay, it has been downloaded. And I'm going to open it inside folder. Okay, so here it is. So I'm going to copy this. I'm not going to extract here. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to go to my C drive. And inside C drive, I'm going to go to inside Xampp and htdocs, and I'm going to place it here. Okay, I'm going to extract it now. Okay, it has been extracted over here as WordPress, and I'm going to delete this zip file from here. Okay, now if we open this, then you will see this kind of structure, and everything will be added inside WP content. But for now, I'm not going to work over here. I'm going to open my Xampp server. So I will search for Xampp and I'm going to open this control panel. So in Windows, the Xampp server looks like this. So I'm going to start Apache and I'm going to start MySQL from here. Okay, our server is started. I'm going to go in here in my WordPress. I'm going to rename it. And we are talking about the grocery store first, so we'll write grocery. So here it is. Now WordPress is changed with grocery. Now go inside and make sure your Apache and MySQL is running. And you will write here localhost and php my admin and just enter. Okay, now we are inside php my admin SQL page. We have to click on database and create new database. You can write your own name, but I will be writing the same name in here and just create. As soon as you create your database, your grocery databases will be added over here. Okay, now go to next step and write localhost and this name grocery, because this is the WordPress containing directory. We have changed the name with grocery. Go over here and write grocery. It will navigate you inside your WordPress, and then this is the WordPress installation wizard. Click on English and continue. And let's go. Over here, this is the database name, so we will write grocery. And the username by default, you have to write root, and password has nothing in here. So database host is localhost and just submit. And just click on run the installation. Okay, in here you will write your site title, which is grocery, and I'm going to write it with TCC grocery. This username and password is your admin username and password. Go over and type your username and password and write your email address. And just click on install WordPress. So while installing, I'm going to talk about for Mac user. You just have to go and download your Xampp server and set up this and start your Apache and MySQL, and then you have to download WordPress and just go and extract your WordPress files inside Xampp and htdocs and rename it by your site that you are building. And the remaining steps are the same. You have to start your Xampp server and go over here and follow the same steps that I have done in here. But in case if you are having any issues installing WordPress inside your Mac, then you can ask me inside question section. I'm here to answer you. And now log in and it will navigate you to this page. Okay, it will navigate you to the WordPress dashboard. And now you can follow along this course. Everything is same inside localhost and inside your online domain techcodingam.tech. So let's have a quick break and I will be meeting you in the next video.